welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Giselle. Welcome. So today we're going to be doing a really quick eye tutorial. I'm using Glamourpuss collection. You guys have seen them here on my channel before, and they came out with a new palette, Hennything for the kitty. Every time I say that name, it cracks me up. It's so freaking cute. The mirror is kind of dirty, but this is what the palette looks like. They sent me a few items to try out, so that's what we're doing on today's video. If you are interested in seeing how I create this look and some of my thoughts on their new palette, lipstick and such, keep on watching. So like I've said before, you guys have seen the Glamourpuss collection here on my channel before, I'm going to leave the link right up here so that you guys can go and check out the previous video. And let's get into reviewing this palette really quick. So it has 3 pressed glitters right here, and then the center aisle is shimmers, and then oops, this side is all mattes. I've done a look, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me share a look that I did a couple of weeks ago when I got the palette, and I was using the pressed glitters, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, I was so thrilled and excited with how the look turned out. Thrilled, like, do I ever use that word? Why did I just say that? Anyways, I really loved the way it turned out. I love the way it worked with these for the pressed glitter. Ooh, I really want to try this one for the next look because this is gorgeous. I used these 2 colors for my previous look, and I found that it was easier to use the pressed glitters when my brush was a little bit wet, so I just sprayed it with some Fix Plus just so I could dig in there and the glitter didn't go anywhere, if that makes sense. The mattes are great. They blend really well. As you saw, I used Remy, which is this one right here, to blend in the outside with the concealer, and then I went in with Mason, which is this one. So I really only used 2 colors here. I'm confused because I'm looking at my monitor towards the inside, but I think it turned out really pretty. And then I went in with Mason underneath my lash line to kind of tie the look all together. The liquid lipstick I have on is called God Is, and it feels super comfortable on my lips right now. Before I started putting my makeup on, I did put some Vaseline on just to get my lips ready, and then I removed the excess and I went in with the lipstick. It smells really good. Smells fruity, and it's easy to apply. It's not like a super thick formula, but it's thick enough for you to be able to work with it and not make a mess. And it feels really good. Like, it feels very satiny, like it doesn't feel heavy at all. And that is the look for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you, the Glamourpuss collection, for sending over these items and letting me try them out. I am going to keep banging looks with it because I absolutely love this palette. I think it's gorgeous. And thank you guys for sticking to the end and watching my little video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Go ahead and check out the Glamourpuss collection. I'm going to leave their links in the description box to the website and their Instagram. And yeah, go check out their products. I think they're awesome and they're very affordable. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it and I can keep bringing you more. If you have not done so yet, go ahead and make sure to hit the subscribe button and become part of the family. I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.